Guys, welcome to video. Today I'm going to show you how can you download outros. So yeah, first thing first, go to Google, and then just wait for it to load. Then what you want to go to is go to Google, and then type in Panzoid, and there you want to click in the first link, this one, panzoid.com. So yeah, next what you want to do is go to community templates, and then wait. I know there are just intros, but you also can make outros for in here. In the search template you can do outros, for example 21 pilot, click enter, and then what you want to do, and there you go, this is your outros. So you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose this one. Where is it? So where is the outro? Let's see which one is good. Which one is good? Let's see. Nope. This one is good. Says your name. Thanks for watching. Then you click on that, and then click on open in clip maker. It will bring you to this page here, and then you just want to wait until it loads. So yeah, just wait until it's loading. It's still loading. Oh man, my crosshair is a little bit ugly right now. My crosshair is ugly. So ugly. So yeah, just wait until it loads, and there you go. You always can click on the eye here, so it's like your intro. It's like your intro there. It's whatever. It's not going to be black, anyways. And then you can toggle face now. So that's pretty good. Next, what you want to go is go to objects here. Then you want to change the text that says your name to your YouTube channel. It doesn't need to your YouTube channel. You can turn it to whatever you want. I'm going to do my YouTube channel, which is Melon Juice. So yeah, next you can just do that. As you can see there, then when it's done, you can go to download, and then start video render. It's going to be downloading. It's going to be taking a while. It's like how long is your computer depends on that. So yeah, I will come back when it's loaded. So guys, after it finishes downloading, it's going to do this. What you want to do is click on download your video, and then go here, and what you want to do is just wait, and then just wait. And then it will give you here, and then what you want to do, you can just drag it to your desktop, and then yeah, that's how can you that's how you can have an outro. And I already have it in my file here. It worked pretty good. It worked on any, it worked on PC, it worked on, and also it worked on Mac, it worked on anything. So yeah, I hope this video helps you a lot how to get outros. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and also slap that subscribe button. So yeah, goodbye.
Yo!